Alex, Babs.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Everything I pull my hair was me out of fear. You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. Sorry guys, I'm in a rush, so I'm gonna rush this like really quickly. This is a maintenance vlog because your girl is going on a birthday trip. Yes, I'm 19 guys. I'm a year older and I'm really excited. I have a birthday trip. I want to tell you guys where I'm going. Obviously, you have to watch the next vlog for that. But I'm going on a birthday trip, and this vlog I'm gonna be getting ready. Nails, lashes, hair, wax, whatever. In fact, I shaved myself today, right? Like just now. I can't show you guys that because let me tell you guys. I was literally like this. I was like this. That's how I look when I'm shaving. Literally in a squat like this. Down there. But I've done my legs and my hands and my there. But under there, I'm gonna wax my armpits. But my hair is not really long under there. So I'm gonna wax anyways. I don't care. I don't care. But this is the real star of the show, guys. If you're wondering why I'm not vlogging with her right now, it's because I don't know if the mic actually works. Like, I just haven't used her yet, so I don't want to film an intro, then I found out it doesn't have sound. But it's OT. I'm gonna vlog my nails and everything with this. That's what I'm gonna do. I still need to find the right camera settings, but I'm gonna use her. And she's so tea. She is so tea. I'm no longer an iPhone vlogger anymore. Nothing wrong with that, but I'm no longer. Side note, guys, the last thing I'm talking about before I leave. You guys need to watch the show, The Polygamist. You need to watch that. You need to watch it because, guys, let me tell you, that is a horror movie for romance. That is a horror romance. That's what it is. It's not even romance. You know what, guys? Let me tell you something. I just need to tell you guys this. You need to watch that because after watching that, I realized my plan C of marrying a rich husband and being a housewife is officially off the block. Because the fact that that's even a possibility, that something like that happens to me, it happens to other people on a daily basis, but the fact that it's a possibility that I could end up in a situation like that is the reason why you guys might never see me married. Not even married, relationship. Because what do you mean? Like, guys, I just need you guys to be on the same topic as me. I don't even want to talk about it because it's giving me such a ick. I couldn't even finish. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I watched up to episode 4 and after that I couldn't. I was actually going to throw up because that was actually so disturbing to me. The fact that someone has the audacity to do that. But like, anyways, you guys need to watch it and all of those things. And the fact that that plan C is gone, guys, that means I'm gonna be a full-time YouTuber. I'm like, maybe not full-time, but I need to get paid by content creation. So you guys need to subscribe. Like I said, guys, we can't be talking about this every vlog. You guys need to actually lock in, because some of us who are not going to be marrying rich men anymore, we need to be making our own income, multiple sources of income. Obviously YouTube is not going to be my only source of income, but I need multiple to fend for myself, because in this world, these men, you can't really trust them. But guys, if you see me wiped up in a couple years, like, just keep quiet. It's just keep quiet. But right now, subscribe. That's what I'm saying. Subscribe right now, because right now, guys, I'm so scared. And to be honest, I'm 19. I don't need to be scared for anything. But I'm just saying, I need to make the bank and all of those things. But guys, subscribe. And hi, if you're new, I'm Theo, by the way. I realize, guys, I never be introducing myself. Some people just be watching me, they don't even know who I am. I'd be forgetting some people new. But anyways, I hope you guys really enjoy the vlog. Guys, I'm so excited for my trip. I'm really excited. But now I'm really late. It's like 2 p.m. and I have something to be after this. So I just need to like, run it up a bit. But yeah, this is my OOTD. It's just my sweatpants, this crop top, and the cap, because underneath there, guys, my hair. But don't worry, guys, we're gonna get it done. But my hair under there, it's not giving. It's not giving. But yeah, that's the update. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you later. Bye. I got my lashes done. don't know what I think about them, guys. It's been a long time since I got lashes done and all lessons, but I'm currently shopping because for some extra things. But OOTD. I'm gonna show you guys something. So yeah, I'm done shopping, and then tomorrow I'm gonna get my hair done. But tonight, I'm doing my hair, so I'll film that when I get home. But yeah, sorry guys, I'm not talking much in the vlog, but it's like to you guys later. I did my hair and I'm about to wash it. What's up? I'm about to wash my hair because I don't have a comb, so I've been using this app, the one I actually use to like blow dry my hair because I don't have a comb. But you know, there's these struggles. I thought I had a brush, but it just gets lost every time I buy one. So at this point, it's still telling me not to buy a brush. So I've been using that, and the plot is tomorrow at 9 a.m. I'm supposed to have an appointment, so I'm gonna get my hair done. But guys, hair growth. Sorry guys, if you guys hear me in the background, my sister is watching my vlog, and I wasn't hearing myself. And I'm like, damn guys, I just be spitting a lot of facts. Like I was talking about the 5 a.m. routine, I was talking about how useless it is. If you guys haven't watched that video, go watch it and subscribe as well. Period. But I was just spitting facts. Like I'm just a factual person. I just be speaking the truth. You can't be drunk already. Anyways, Mason Studio sent me these really good bundles, guys. Like they're so tea. Like this is not a paid sponsorship, guys. I'm just saying. Like they sent it to me, and I'm gonna use these bundles for my birthday. I got it in brown, and you guys can see for yourselves. 100% human hair, guys. Like it's actually so tea, and I was just thinking I'm just gonna shout them out. And if you guys want a discount code, you guys can find the link down below, and you guys can get a percentage off these bundles. But they're really good, and they ship throughout Europe, the UK, all of those things. So you guys, if you guys want to order, you definitely can. They're really good bundles, really good quality, and I just recommend them. All of those things. I just thought I would shout them out because like they send me good bundles. Like who am I not to say anything? You get what I'm saying? Yeah. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna wash my hair. We're gonna wash those bundles because I need them for tomorrow's appointment, which is at 9 a.m. And then yeah, that's what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna film that, and yeah, guys, we're just having a lot of fun because we're trying to warm up for my birthday. So if you hear people talking about being dry, like that's what's happening. We're just warming up. Whew, it's a bit hot. It's a bit hot, but that's what's going on. And yeah. Hi guys. Okay, I'm done. I'm done with my hair and everything, and this is looking like cute. Yeah, so my appointment's at 9. It's kind of like 2 a.m. and all of this, so I'm just gonna wash my hair and then go straight to sleep and then wake up for my appointment. But before that happens, I want to say a big thank you to Temu for sending me lovely packages, guys. Oh my gosh, like you guys know I'm moving into like my big girl apartment in the next 1 or 2 months, so I was really grateful that Temu was able to send me some packages that would help me actually move in. I'm gonna insert the clips here below. I'm gonna insert the clips here. So basically this is gonna help me with my move, and it's all those little things that you don't think about that like keep adding on to your costs as a uni student, guys. There's only so much you should be paying for, but Temu really like helped me a lot, and the quality is actually really good, and I'm going to be able to keep these things like for years and years. So I'm really grateful to Temu for sending me these things, and I'm just like, yeah, I'm really happy, guys. It's just making me more excited because now everything's like coming together. Now I have like more things for when I move. Like I'm not just like a lost duck. But yeah, so thank you to Temu for sending me these things. I'm so grateful, and I hope you guys tune in for the moving series and all of those things, and use the description down below to get a discount off your own purchases of Temu and all of those things. We're done. Do you guys like my hair? I love it. I think this color really suits me, guys. I look tea. So my flight is in 2 hours, so I'm gonna meet my sister and my sister-in-law at the airport and all of those things. But guys, the maintenance vlog is ending here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love this content where I'm just being a girly girl and I'm not suffering with school.
So you definitely see more of these. Definitely more of these during the summer and all those things. I hope the camera actually works on this camera. I don't know. I mean the, what's it called? The mic. Oh gosh, shyness is hard to get. Everyone's just like outside. It's like a neighborhood kind of place. But yeah, I'm about to head to the airport and then yeah, I'll just show you guys some clips of me leaving. But I hope you guys loved this video. If you did, subscribe and all of those things, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. So I was so late to my appointment. Like I stay being late. Like serious guys, whenever I find these like hairdressers, they low-key be in areas that give me the creeps. Like just a bunch of people in their cars doing that thing. It's kind of scary. It's giving those horror movies. Like this might be, guys. It's not bad, but like I'm actually creeped out. There's just a bunch of men. I just need to go home. But yeah, okay, I'm not going home. I'm going straight to my trip. But guys, the next trip, the next vlog, you'll see where I'm going. It's gonna be so tea, guys. Like don't miss out. Don't miss out on this vlog. Don't miss out on the next one. It's gonna be so much fun. There's gonna be young girls having fun. No boys allowed, guys. Like not even texting niggas. We're not doing that. We're purely just girl time. Purely. But yeah. See you guys later.